Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Skylake local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within Skylake, 3 Movers is the go to local moving company. Their team of highly skilled professionals has a deep understanding of the city's layout, ensuring a seamless and efficient local move for you. Their Skylake local TM movers specialize in providing efficient packing and unpacking services, ensuring that your belongings are securely transported to your new home. With their knowledge of the city's roads and traffic patterns, 3 Movers can navigate any challenges and optimize routes to ensure the timely delivery of your possessions. 3 Movers is your trusted and reliable partner if you plan a long distance move from or to Skylake. Their Skylake Long Distance 3 Movers is well versed in handling all the logistics involved, ensuring the safety and security of your belongings throughout the entire journey. From employing proper packing techniques to exercising utmost care in handling fragile items, 3 Movers goes above and beyond to protect your possessions during the long distance move. Additionally, they offer competitive pricing options that fit your budget, providing cost effective solutions without compromising quality. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Skylake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.